Namaskar all of you. So this is a new batch notification for which will start from February 1. So the PDF of this video you can find in the description link. So 1st February, that is from Monday, we are starting the optional forestry batch in the Bhubaneswar Center. So mode is classroom, Bhubaneswar Center, timing is 5 to 7. And those who cannot come to classroom, you have the online option as well. So it includes your study material and a test series. 7 days a week you have classes, and repeaters batch is free of charge. Till you crack the exam, you can go for the new videos and new classes. In the new batches you can continue without any course fee. So till success you can continue in the batch. Why you have forestry optional, one of the highest mark fetching subjects in OPSC CSE, and even non-background students, those who do not have those who have not studied forestry in their graduation, even those students are coming in top 20 by taking forestry, right? And if you are from science and engineering background and you also want to give Indian Forest Service or Odisha Forest Service, then forestry is one of the optionals there. But in UPSC civil service exam, forestry is not an optional. For in the Indian Forest Service exam and Odisha Forest Service exam, it is optional. It's a very highly scoring optional, right? So the batches here, which I told you, both online and offline, it is available. Online, the course fee is 15,000. Classroom, the course fee is 25,000, and course fee includes study material, test series, and is inclusive of GST. So there is no extra addition on it like 18% GST and all. So actual course fee is less than this. This is including GST, whatever course fee we are saying. So any doubts regarding these batches, you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210. You can call Bhubaneswar Center, where this batches forestry optional will be given offline or classroom, 76840-54656. And if you are interested to join civil services or other batches at Cuttack, 73259-04599. These are the contact numbers. I wish you all the best. Decide properly which optional you would like to take, because choice of optional is a very important determining factor in your success in civil service exam. So thank you all. Namaskar.